Hugo here from TrueRC, and today we're going to test a few antenna using my combination analyzer. What we do is we use directional antenna in both right hand and left hand to try to detect the type of radiation coming from my test antenna. Here it is an AXII. So I've set up my meter from 5.6 to 6 gigahertz to transmit through this antenna and listen with this one, a right hand XR. You can see when I point it, I got full signal because I'm transmitting a right hand antenna through a right hand receiving antenna. Now if I switch to a left hand, I will be able to measure how much left hand this antenna actually produces. See? Almost zero. From -20 to -10 at worst. There's almost no difference between pointing away and pointing to the antenna, because the AXII got a pretty good axial ratio. Let's try the same with an antenna everyone knows, the pagoda. Here's a right hand pagoda. Again, we point. And we almost get no signal at all, just like the AXII. Actually, it's pretty similar. Now, if I go back to my right hand, I still get full signal. So, we're going back to left hand as a listener, and we're going to test another few antennas. Here is a left hand pagoda with a left hand XR. Again, I get my full signal. Let's test something else. A long AXII, for example. As you see, from all the direction, all the angle, I got no left hand radiation. Now we're going to test a more problematic antenna, the Foxer Lollipop V2. It is a right hand. Look it up. We have a right hand XR, and we're going to check transmitter. Right hand to right hand, I got pretty much full power. Yeah, full power. Okay. And we switch to left hand and see the difference. You can see that at 90 degrees, the difference is actually quite small, and at higher frequencies, there's none. The antenna is actually left hand at 5,900 megahertz. Some spots are better than others, of course, but the main spot here and here are actually very little difference between right hand and left hand polarization on the lollipop. If we go back to our AXII, you can see that all angle does not produce left-hand radio wave. And now we're going to test something new. For the first time, here is the Micro AXII. It is the smallest antenna I ever made, and I believe it is the smallest antenna, CP antenna ever made. So let's test it. It is right hand, by the way, but we'll confirm this with the testing. So we switch to right hand to confirm its right hand radiation. See, get full power. We switch to left hand. No left-hand radiation, or very little, just as a Pagoda or AXII, for example. And let's do a last test just to be sure this antenna, this XR, is not broken, for example, or bad. Let's use a left-hand Pagoda. See, full power again. So hope to see this very new Micro AXII very soon at Lumenier's and get FPV, of course, and we will carry it as well.